Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough. I thought I was doing okay. God, how did I end up this way? Think I'm getting used to this pain, and I only got myself to blame.
Hi, welcome back to Approved to Move. I'm Chelsea, your realtor.
I'm Brittany, your lender.
And today we are in a new listing I have coming in Anthony, Florida. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,100 square feet, and it's on almost a half an acre. It backs right up to a beautiful horse field, and this is a really cute, charming little cottage style house.
Very cute. And we're close to Jumbo-Air John Travolta. How cool is that?
Yeah, you can like watch his airplane fly over you. You walk in, the front door, it's got an open concept. We got the kitchen to the living room with the dining area. We will have a refrigerator and stove before closing. I'm working on that because I do all of it. So, yeah, new counters, new cabinets, new flooring. We've got the 2 bedrooms over here. Bathroom and primary room back there. So let's show you around.
Hi, come on into one of the restrooms, bathrooms in this house. New sink, new vanity, new tile, Florida roof tile in the shower. I love the light white and gray. You guys know I love light and white, so this is perfect. Nice little size bathroom.
So at one time they had a wall here, but the contractors came in and ripped it all out so it could be one big open space that connects into here to the laundry bathroom. You got your hot water heater over here, HVAC unit. Come on through to the primary room. We've also got, you know, a back door right here. Clean those windows, and then here we are. Primary room, walk-in closet, and primary bathroom.
I thought I was doing okay. God, how did I end up this way? Think I'm getting used to this pain, and I only got myself to blame.
Hey you guys, don't forget I am your local lender. I can do lots of financing on multiple different types of homes, so call me or go to my website, mortgageswithbrittany.com, and I would love to help you and guide you, and let's make a plan for you to be in your next home.
Yes, this house would be able to go FHA, VA, conventional loans.
Yes.
So there are a lot of options for this house. So it's going to be a very affordable price point, starting at around $225,000. They have completely redone everything in this house. If you could see the before pictures, you would be like, is this the same house?
Yes.
So,
Thanks y'all, have a good day.
bye. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified every time we upload, and see you next week on Approved to Move.